Okay, this is the last load of dice as promised. These are really fancy liquid core ones as well, so we just open it. I'll try and open it without showing my address, because I couldn't rip the sticker off this time. Right, just a second. There we go. No labels, and I can still do rip it open satisfyingly. There we go. Oh, look at this. Come on. Open. There we go. Oh, and a nice little bag as well. Yeah, look at this. But let's take them out. Let's have a look. Oh, we've got a little thing as well. Just make sure my address isn't on this. No, okay. Apparently there's a free gift. Let's have a look at read of this later. That'll be fun. But let's focus on these dice. Okay, I'm gonna get some other dice because I didn't expect them to be bigger. I mean, it's not surprising that they're bigger because they're like sharp edge ones. And okay, the edges aren't quite as they don't feel quite as sharp as I expected them to, which makes sense because that would probably just be like a health hazard. But I'll just get some other dice. We can compare the sizes of the D20s. And you probably already knew this, but it's bigger. That's cool. But yeah, these are really nice. Now, I'm gonna have a look at this myself. Just 1 second. Oh yeah, you can absolutely see. I don't know if you can see it on camera. I'm gonna try to focus in on it so that you can see the effect. Damn it. Yeah, this isn't the best camera. Come on, focus. Maybe you can kind of see it there. Let's have a look. I don't think you can really see the effect, which is a shame. But yeah, the liquid core. You can probably there'll be videos online with someone who actually has a decent camera that isn't their phone showing off what liquid core looks like. But yeah, they're really nice. Let's just have a look at them. The gold leaf with the green. Actually, with the D8, I think you can kind of almost see the effect. Yeah. Yeah, they're really nice anyway. Happy about those.